My name is Ravindranath, and I came to Tilonia in the year 1987, and I worked here for a couple of years, and then ultimately in 1989, I went to northeastern part of India and set up one organization called Rural Volunteer Center today, and since 89 I am there. See, basically, Rural Volunteer Center is located now in the Brahmaputra River Basin of Northeast. Focus of my work is around the river related issues, which just starts from disaster to health to education to economy to all sort of issues around the river basin. Our area where we work is basically flood disaster hit area. So it's perennial problem of the area. So whenever we talk about assuring livelihood to the family, uh, it is first that women comes into picture because they really gives more time and involves more into livelihood activity in northeastern part of India, and they are more active than men folk. So so our work is also most of the time with women folk. What best thing, according to my mind, what I have learned here is basically the core values of functioning in a rural area. That is number one. Number two, the ways, processes, and ethics with which Tilonia functions, that I have carried with me from here. And till now, the whole team of Rural Volunteer Center is sticking to those values. We don't deviate. And those are the best thing which is not available in the country anywhere, what the Tilonia family has. See, Bunker been always a person for me who have been a guiding force. Um, I have observed Bunker. I would like to tell any young generation who wants to start this kind of work should come to Tilonia, stay here, work with their two hands, and experience what kind of work we do here in Tilonia. He or she should follow the core values of Tilonia. A model replication is not the work. Replication of the model with core values is the work. So everyone should come here to learn the core value, the value which respects the community, the value which becomes a guiding force in your life for whole life. It is not a tablet that you will eat and you will learn the value. You have to practice that value.